What's up, guys? It's Shannon from SP88. Got a window that won't go up, and just a quick test. I want to see 12 volts coming to the motor, so I've unplugged the motor there, and I put my probes in there, and there's the switch just here, so I'm going to activate it. If I pull up, you see minus, and then you push down, and you see plus. That means that the voltage is getting to the window, but the motor isn't working. So what we're going to do is remove this motor, put the window up, and we can even bench test this motor. Or I could even plug it back in and give it a few slaps and it might start working. But there isn't a wiring fault. So, screws over here. Nothing. Okay, so I'm going to take this motor out. Weirdly enough, it's working in one direction and not the other. It won't go the other direction, which is up. Goes down, it won't go up. Don't know what's happening there. Let's find out. Guys, I've identified it as a faulty switch. Alright, so I think the switch is failing under load. So if I have it, as I've got the switch disconnected like this, and I reverse the polarity, I'm gonna show you. Let me get my a stand. Hold on. Sheet. Don't help that I'm working in this damn rain, man. You see the motor? Let me get this window up anyway. So it's quite easy to say, yeah, guys, we should change the window motor, but it's definitely not that. As you can see, I've just got the window up here, and put the switch back on. Put the window down, but I can't put it back up. See? So just for testing purpose, I've got to do this thing twice. The live feed, that's the red one there going in. And if you look at the switch, there's an orange and a yellow, and then there's a brown for the earth. So I'm basically reversing the polarity. I'm sending current different directions. So yeah, so turn this around. Cool. Hope that makes sense, guys. That is how I diagnose this one. So we're going to change the window switch. I don't know, maybe we have to change the window switch on that side as well because it's doing the same thing on that side.